my channel was just at 13 subscribers and now it's magically at 15. How, thank you, thank you, everybody that subscribed to my channel. But what? I was literally just on a different video, and then my channel went from 13 to 14. Then I went to a different video. Then my channel went from 14 to 15. And if I go to another video, is my channel gonna go from 15 to 16? I don't know. Thank you guys so much for doing this. I love you. I can't with life right now. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Making some chocolate milk. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. You're awesome. You're amazing. 15 subscribers. What? Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I don't know what to do anymore. Thank you so much for these 15 subscribers. You guys are all awesome. I remember my channel was at like 10 subscribers literally just a few weeks ago. About a week ago. But now I'm at 50. How did I grow like almost... Pinterest, get out of my face. How did I gain almost 10 more subscribers in basically 2 weeks? What? You guys going off the charts. You're going off the charts with the subscribers, with all the inks and the Inkettas and the Ink family. And thank you guys so much. You're awesome. You're amazing. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go on a super long rant if I don't stop this video now. So, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. And, but bye. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this right now.